this video, we are going to convert back and forth between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature. So if we look the formula to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit, so you'll notice our formula, we are going to use the Celsius and we are going to get out the Fahrenheit. So let's do these first four. So I'm going to write down the formula to remind you how to use it. So what this formula does is it allows us to multiply the Celsius by 1.8 and then add 32. So you have to follow what is called order of operations. So we're going to multiply our Celsius value first, and then we will add 32. So let's look at our first one here. Our 37.5 Celsius. You're going to multiply that times 1.8. So 37.5 times 1.8 is equal to 67.5 plus 32. If you add on 32, you get a total of 99.5. And we'll do one more of those. Let's do 20. So 1.8 times 20 plus 32. Remember, you have to do your multiplication by 1.8 first, which is 36 plus 32 is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now let's go backwards from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's do some of these. Why don't we do 3 and 1, just like we did up here. So this time in our formula, you'll see that it says C equals. So mathematically, that's telling us that we are going to input a Fahrenheit and get out a Celsius. Be careful. You should think of it kind of does the reverse order of operations here. Instead of adding 32, you subtract 32 first, then divide by 1.8. So it does reverse the formula we saw in the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's stick in 68 degrees. So that would be 68 minus 32 divided by 1.8. Now, mathematically speaking, because the 68 minus 32 is in parentheses, you have to do that first. 68 minus 32 is 36. Divided by 1.8 is our next step. So if we divide that by 1.8, we get 20 degrees. Now look what we did up above. 20 degrees Celsius was 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So, hey, we went backwards, right? Okay. Let's look at 99.5. Now, if we did it right, we should get the answer up above, but let's just practice. Make sure that we're going backwards right. So it would be 99.5 minus 32 divided by 1.8. So we're going to do that 99.5 minus 32 first. We're going to get 67.5, and then we're going to divide that by 1.8, and we get indeed 37.5 degrees Celsius. So let's put that on there. So that's a little bit about how we convert between Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Have a good one.